I have in my hands here, I think, a first generation Xbox One controller. And actually, no, it's got the sunken in X. So actually, no, it's a more modern one. Nonetheless, a little while ago, my youngest decided to pick it up, and if you can't tell by the way that trigger looks, it's not normal. So I remember trying for eons trying to get that trigger out so I could reseat it somehow. Finally gave up, and several months later, I've decided to just go out and get myself an actual plastic prying kit. Getting this panel off took some doing. I've never had such difficulty getting this thing off. This plastic prying kit is brand new. And you can already start to tell that it's starting to make short work of it. It's bent in some unfortunate ways. It wasn't like that when I first picked it up. Let's see. What I see here.
What did you just do?
What I see here is that. So she dropped it on the floor, and somehow that managed to crank up the trigger enough so that it would come out just enough so that it could never get back in. But no matter how hard you try, you cannot get that thing back in there. So I think now that I got a clear view of it with the panel off, I can lift it up a little bit more. Should be able to just punch it in. So we're going to give that a shot. Oh. Alright, so after a little bit more inspection, what it appears I have to do is I have to lift this up a little bit, then crank back on this bit here, or on this back panel, to bring it out just enough to slide this guy back in. Perfect. There. Good as new. Let's give it a shot. Alright, let's do this. Hey Google, turn on the TV.
Okay, turning on the TV.
Fantastic. Honestly, you can't ask for better results than that. Nice, quick, and easy. And this little kit costs way less than the $60 it would take to replace the controller.